I heard you wanted to make some stars, so that's what we're gonna learn how to do today. You're gonna get your string. You're gonna get about arm's length of string. Should be just enough. Next up, you're gonna get whatever color bead choice that you want to use. For the star, you're gonna need 25 beads. I chose yellow, cause duh. Next thing, you're gonna take 10 beads first and put it on the string. So we're gonna do, let me speed this mug up real quick. 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 beads on the string. Okay, what you're gonna do now is you're gonna hold your string like this to where there's a little bit to where you can tie it, and you're going to tie it off. I like to do it 3 times before I feel comfortable. So 1, 2, and 3. Just simple knots, nothing crazy. All right, you should be left with some weird looking shape like this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do 1 in and 1 out. So do 1 in, 1 out, 1 in, 1 out, push it in, 1 out, 1 in, 1 out, 1 in, until it basically kind of looks like a funky version of a star, you know? All right, now for the points. What you're going to do is you're going to take 3 more beads on this long string, put 3 more beads on it. You're gonna hold it like this to where all the beads go to the end, and you're going to loop it through that bead that we pushed out. So loop it through, you pull it. It'll look some type of crazy. Just pull it until it's not looking crazy, and it should form a point. But if it doesn't, you just squeeze it and it'll form a point. Also, do not cut off this little string yet. This is gonna be very important for the end. So you're basically just gonna do that all the way around until you have your 5 points. You just put them all the way to the end, loop it through, and then add your next 3 beads. All right, once you get to that last point, what you're gonna do, if it's in the way, move it to the side. And that bead that's right there, you're just going to loop your string through to where it meets back up with the little string. Then once you meet back up, you're going to tie it off. I like to do mine 3 times because 3 times a charm. And there you go. You have your star. What I like to do to make sure that the string is not showing from the knot that I have just created, I like to pull the string before I cut it. So then it looks like this. Congratulations, you've learned how to make a star. Yay!